Let's modify this snap-on 1/4-inch flex head ratchet with a 3/8 anvil. Talking with my local snap-on dealer about this mod, he said I didn't need to worry about all the ratchet and little rebuilding pieces of the kit. All I needed was the plate and then the 3/8 anvil, which he had on truck for me. We're gonna take it off, and so this is actually an 8IP, or it's a Torx. It's a type of Torx called 8IP. And we'll take that out. And he pretty much just said, just kind of keep downward pressure on this, because it's probably spring loaded to an extent, and you don't want a bunch of the stuff falling out. So we'll get this one out first. I'll put that in here. That way I can get a little bit of finger leverage on here. There we go. Okay, there's one. All right, I do feel it popping up a little bit, so I'm just keeping my finger down while I take out the little screw. Okay, let it up just a little bit. Take the plate off. So yeah, okay, so hold these right. So I need to hold these in here and replace this anvil. Just keep my finger here. Pull that anvil out. That anvil goes in just like that. Then I have my new cover plate. I won't tighten that one down all the way just yet. That way I can get this one in. And that's it. So now we have modified it from a 1/4-inch to a 3/8 flex head anvil, and this will be great for getting in tight spots. In the description down below, I'll put the part numbers for the plate and the rebuild kit you need to do this mod. And the kit I used that had the proper bit to take out the screws was the VIM VHC77. As you can see, it has a variation of stubby bits from triple squares, Torx, and Allens. I'm a big fan of small tools that can get into compact places. I own a Mitsubishi Evo 9, and a Volkswagen Mark 6 Golf R, and especially with this Golf R, they cram so much stuff into these engine bays. When working on transverse engines, things typically tend to be a lot tighter. This 1/4-inch flex head ratchet has helped me a bunch of times with my Volkswagen and working on other people's Volkswagen as well, like getting up under the intake manifold, down on the side, doing things for timing down here. It has definitely been a game changer. Having an extra tool in my arsenal that is mini and has a 3/8 anvil will be clutch at some point in time. If you enjoyed this quick tool mod video, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell for future videos. Y'all have a good one now. Peace out.